Summer is fast approaching, and Oncor wants to share some do-it-yourself ways to make your home more energy efficient. Come on in. All right, this one seems like a no-brainer, but closing the blinds or curtains inside during the hottest part of the day can really do wonders for the temperature inside your home. While installing curtains is certainly a bit easier, there's a lot of helpful information online if you want to install new blinds yourself. In fact, Angie's List says window blind installation can cost around $700 on average, so you'll be saving a pretty penny by going the DIY route. While you've got windows on the brain, consider doing some window caulking, especially if you noticed any drafts over the winter. Don't forget about the doors. Just like with the windows, if you noticed any drafts over the winter, apply some weather stripping to keep the hot summer air out. Just make sure you account for any door jams when measuring for how much material you'll need. All right, so this one isn't totally DIY. When it comes to your HVAC system, you'll likely need an expert to come take a look and give it a tune-up before summer. Mike Schrantz with Energy Addict says an expert can help identify and correct any sluggish areas to ensure your system performs normally. However, he says there is one thing you can do yourself.
So as you can see on this one, filters can get dirty pretty easily. Even with a nice thick filter like this, it's something you want to keep up with, check on every 3 to 6 months. It's going to ensure that you have good airflow and your unit is not stressing too much, trying to recirculate that air inside your home.
These DIY projects may help you discover some things around the house in need of an upgrade. Check out smartsavingstx.com. Oncor customers are eligible for discounts on some Energy Star household products and appliances like smart thermostats. These can really help you save. For example, you can access the thermostat remotely to change the temperature from anywhere. You can also set daily schedules so that your AC isn't running on full blast when your furry friend is the only one at home. For more summer and year-round energy efficiency tips, visit The Wire on Oncor.com.